Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, April 4th, and we're going to continue on with the theme from yesterday, which was talking about micro trend breaks that we had in bonds and in gold on longer time frames. But today, we're going to talk about the same setup, a micro trend break, on shorter term charts for those of you that like scalping or jumping in and out of the market very quickly intraday, so you have less risk because you're not in the market as long. Now, one of my favorite time frames to trade on, if you've been in the trading room with me, you know, is a 500 tick chart. So this is a 500 tick chart in gold, and this is one of the trade setups from today in the trading room. So gold overall was moving down in a downtrend right here, okay, lower highs, lower lows. And then we came down, put in a higher pivot low within the context of an overall downward moving market. So we draw what we call the line in the sand. Remember the trend line going across the lows. This is the exact opposite of what we had yesterday on the longer time frames, 120s and 240s, going down across the highs. So this is the bearish version of that same setup. Draw the trend line going up and across the lows. You break that trend line, that's your short entry, and then you accelerate lower. Now, this may not look like much, but in gold, this is about $200 a contract from 1258 down to 1256. So that's exactly $200 a contract worth of a move right there. And this doesn't just happen once per day. A lot of times you'll have this setup happen several times a day. For example, here's a bullish one. Overall, market's moving higher back here. We put in a lower high and lower low. So we draw our line in the sand, break through said line in the sand, and trigger the acceleration higher. That would have been a break at 61.5 basically, all the way up to the high of the day at 63.7. Now, I'm not saying that you're going to get in and out at the exact top and bottom, because that's not going to happen. However, what you do is you trail your stop behind it as it continues to move your direction, and then you get out as soon as it starts to reverse. All right, so keep an eye out intraday for this same type of setup using micro trends. Now, again, if you don't understand what a micro trend is, you want to learn a little bit more about what naked trading is and how it's all about reading the price charts themselves, I'm going to link in the bottom left-hand corner at the end of the video to another webinar you can go watch. It's about an hour long that will teach you all about naked trading, the fundamentals of naked trading, and how to trade micro trend breakouts. Also, in the bottom right hand corner, there's going to be a little circle that pops up. If you would click that to subscribe to the channel, so you can get videos every day coming out talking about different trade setups and explaining how these different strategies we use work in the market every day. So that's it for now. I will see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. And until next time, happy trading.